Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. According to statistics, only a small percentage of you who watch my videos is actually subscribed. If you enjoy what you watch and still not subscribed, do consider hitting the subscribe button. This encourages YouTube as algorithm in promoting more my health and fitness content to the people out there. In this video, I will give you some tips to identify genuine olive oil from other mixed ones. 1. Check the label. Look for certifications like PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, or PGI, Protected Geographical Indication on the label. These certifications indicate the oil's origin and adherence to specific quality standards. Ensure the label explicitly states extra virgin olive oil, as this is the highest quality category. 2. Taste and aroma. Genuine extra virgin olive oil should have a fresh, fruity aroma with hints of green or ripe olives. It may also have a slightly peppery or bitter taste, which is a sign of high-quality, unprocessed oil. 3. Packaging. Authentic olive oil is typically stored in dark glass bottles or metal containers to protect it from exposure to light and air, which can cause oxidation and spoil the oil for price. Be cautious of olive oil that is significantly cheaper than other options on the market. High-quality, genuine extra virgin olive oil is often more expensive due to the care and quality of production. 5. Acidity level. Check the label for acidity information. Extra virgin olive oil should have low acidity, usually below 0.8%. Higher acidity can indicate lower quality or improper processing. 6. Origin. Research reputable olive oil producing regions such as Italy, Greece, Spain, or regions with established traditions in olive oil production. 7. Harvest date. Look for a harvest date on the label. Fresher olive oil is generally of higher quality, so choose oil with the most recent harvest date. 8. Bitterness and pungency. Authentic extra virgin olive oil often has a slightly bitter and pungent taste. These attributes come from natural antioxidants and polyphenols in the oil. 9. Sediments. Some authentic olive oils may contain small sediment particles. This is a sign that the oil is minimally processed and likely genuine. 10. Buy from reputable sources. Purchase olive oil from reputable brands, specialty olive oil shops, or certified producers. Seek recommendations from knowledgeable sources, such as chefs or food enthusiasts, to find trustworthy suppliers. By paying attention to these details, you can make a more informed choice when selecting genuine olive oil. Before we wrap up, remember that your likes, shares, and subscriptions are what keep this channel going strong. If you found value in what you just watched, give that like button a click and consider sharing it with someone who might enjoy it too. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest content. Thanks for being a part of our community, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.